Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So, to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so obviously it's already open and visible on my display. Just make sure that the content that you wish to capture is visible right now on your phone. From there, all you would need to do is hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with the pop-up, and the first time around it also gives us the information that we can capture a screenshot with a 3-finger swipe down. So it will perform the same thing. Just to showcase this again, captures just a screenshot. Has a share and scroll option, which scroll option isn't accessible right here because there is nothing to scroll down on. But for instance, in the settings page, this will work if I wasn't actually at the bottom. There we go. So once you have captured your screenshots, you can then find them in your Photos application. They will be visible right at the front, as you can see. Oh, there we go. Let's go to Photos. So in Photos, as the newest one, but later on, if you want to come back to them down the line, you can navigate to Albums, and in here you'll find an album called Screenshots, where you will see only screenshots and screen recordings that you have captured over the time. And here's the scrollable screenshot, non-scrollable one, and the couple screenshots that I have captured. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.